Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by shutting off the water and fully draining the hose. This prevents pressure and mess. Once done, remove the old coupling with pliers and an adjustable wrench, turning counterclockwise. If it's stuck, apply steady pressure and tap gently. Check the internal washer and the male/female threads for damage. This tells you whether to replace the washer, use Teflon tape, or swap the entire fitting. Make sure to work in good light so you can see small cracks or cross-threading. Now focus on sealing. Press a new rubber washer or O-ring into the female coupling. It must sit flat and centered to stop leaks. Next, wrap 3 to 4 tight turns of Teflon tape clockwise on the male threads. That fills small gaps and prevents seepage. Thread the coupling back on by hand until it's snug, then finish with an adjustable wrench. Give about 1/4 to 1/2 turn more. If using a compression sleeve, slide it in and compress evenly to avoid pinching the hose. Turn the water on slowly and watch the connection closely. Small leaks show up first as drips. If you see a leak, stop, tighten in tiny 1/8 turn increments, and recheck. Over-tightening can deform the washer, so reseat or swap it if needed. If the hose end is frayed or cracked, cut back about 1 inch, then reattach a new coupling or use a crimp/clamp repair kit. A key troubleshooting tip. Persistent seepage usually means the washer or threads are damaged, not the tape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.